Okay, start to turn on the level to the maximum. First, must keep it maximum. And then press it and ignite. It will get red. And here, let hand go. Stop it. This brooder will burning red, and this condition is good. If you want to adjust the power and the adjust the level, turn down. The gas will let in small. Okay, now the surface is slowly to turn up the level, and the surface will get red again. Okay. If you want to stop it, turn off the gas, the gas cylinder valve.